Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lakshmikrishnaa Accounts and Management. Students, today I want to tell you the golden rules of accounts and types of accounts. In 5 minutes you can learn these rules. This will help you in learning the accounts. Let us start. Before going to types of accounts, let me tell you what is account. The account is a summary of business transactions. Relevant transactions. It is a shape of T. It will be in the shape of T. Left hand side is called debit and right hand side is called as credit. So you have to post into that account based on the type of account. So we have actually two types of accounts, personal and impersonal. Impersonal further classified into two real and nominal accounts. So generally we will write three types of accounts rules: personal, real and nominal. You can see here personal, real and nominal. So coming to point of personal account, this account is related with persons. So generally business deals with two types of persons, creditors and debtors. So debtors and creditors, we are going to maintain the accounts. So the rule for this, if the person is receiver, we have to debit. If the person is giver, we have to credit it. You can see the example here. Gold, goods sold to Suresh. In this transaction, Suresh is a personal account. As being a natural person, his account will be debited in the entry as the receiver. So we have to debit here we have to debit the Suresh account. So you can take any example. It's very easy. In any transaction, if you're finding any person, you have to see whether they are receivers or givers. So receiver means you have to debit their account. If they are givers, you have to credit their account. Coming to the point of second account, real account. This account is related with assets and we can take goods also into this account. Okay, so any asset is coming into business or any asset going out from the business, we are going to apply this rule of account, that is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So if anything is coming into business, either goods or assets, we have to debit. If anything going out, we have to credit from the business. So you can see the example here. Furniture purchased by an entity in cash. So here furniture is coming in, so we have to debit. Cash is going out, we have to credit it. This is second account. And coming to point of the last account is a nominal account, which will help us in debiting, crediting all the expenses and losses, incomes and gains. We are going to debit all expenses and losses and we are going to credit all incomes and gains. So you can see the example here. Salary is paid. When we are paying a salary, salaries are the expenses, we have to debit it. When we are paying stationery expenses, we have to debit the stationery expenses. When we are receiving interest, we have to credit the interest because we are receiving. So this is the rules of three accounts: personal, real and nominal, with the example. So you can go through with this. If you like my channel, just subscribe it. Thank you.